I'm sorry. समझता है कि नहीं? समझता है कि नहीं तेरे को? Okay, are we being stopped? Another week and another ride. Yes, guys. Another ride. A short one though.
Are you comedy me?
It's 11 p.m. in the night, and we are out for a short spin in the city. This time I am with my roommate, and I'm going to meet one of my school friends. Okay, I thought that the city is less crowded today, but no, it is not. It's pretty crowded. And yes, I am aware. Please don't get started in the comment section. This is not the second part of my Diwali hometown ride. This is just another little video, daily observations video that I sneak in. So please bear with it. Please don't give it some hate. I know you guys like consistency and organized behavior, but I am unfortunately not one of those. I just felt like uploading this one first, so you have to deal with it.
Sorry, Babu.
Please don't unsubscribe. It shows 19 minutes, 10 kilometers. I'm heading towards Dadar. I'll be meeting one of my friends over there. He's a good friend of mine, so I'll be meeting him, and then we'll roam around in the city probably for the next 3 to 4 hours, and then we'll head back to our places. So yeah, and we don't really have a destination planned for the night. There's no agenda. We'll be just roaming around in the city legally. We won't do any illegal stuff during the nights.
Risk hai.
And yes, I'm looking forward to being stopped by cops again. So let's see how many times do I get stopped. Last time when I was riding with Mortal, I was stopped twice. This time I don't intend to break that record, but I think I might. Let's see.
Are you ready?
Why do I hopelessly hope for the city to be less crowded during the nights? I always look forward to riding in the nights, expecting there to be less people than there are usually. But this city never fails to surprise me all the time. But yeah, the weather is good. The weather is a little less hot, so at least that's a good thing. And yeah, by the way, I'm using this new tank bag. This is the Golden Riders tank bag that I'm using right now, and I haven't bought this bag. I haven't paid for it. Guys at Golden Riders were kind enough to provide me this bag for free for review, and they've asked me to use this and then let them and you guys know the feedback for after using this bag. So yes, there's also this video coming up, so stay tuned for that as well. Speaking of the company, Golden Riders is a company that manufactures premium luggage and accessories for bikes and for cycles as well. So you can check their website out. I'll also link it down in the description, and yeah, also please use indicators on a side note.
इसकी गारंटी मैं नहीं दे सकता.
So yeah, you can check out their Instagram, you can check out their website and look for the product by yourself. I'll also be posting a review video of it very soon once I've extensively used this bag. For my first impressions, it's a very minimal and stylish looking bag, and it looks sturdy. It's also very convenient thanks to the magnets. So yeah, my first impressions have been quite good, but surely I'll be using this extensively over the course of a month, and I'll let you guys know about my thoughts on this particular bag. And there's traffic again. There's no line here, by the way. अरे तू इकडे कुठे? The one good thing about red signals is that you get at least a little patch of road that is empty. And just when you start getting happy, here you go.
आता है क्या इससे?
हाँ
ऑक्सीजन आता है क्या इससे?
किससे? इससे ना. हाँ ते कसं आहे, मी हाय स्पीडला जातो ना, त्यामुळे मग ते असं गरजेचं गाइस आई टेल यू गाइस, कैसा है वो, मैं हाई स्पीड्स पे जाता हूँ ना, तो इसके लिए एडिटर अनुराग, प्लीज कीप दिस पार्ट वेयर आई एक्सप्लेन माय ऑक्सीजन टेक. I need some coffee. I'm feeling a little tired. Yeah, please carry on with the discussion at the middle of the road. We will not mind you at all. I feel a little sleepy though. I actually haven't slept well since the last 2 nights because I was busy editing the video for you guys, the previous video on this channel. So yeah, I've been sleep deprived for the last 2 days. So I've been surviving on coffee since the last 2 days. What the dude? What the hell? I'm sorry. I'm just roaming around. I'm just roaming around in circles. This Google guys.
अबे साले.
अरे तू बघितला नव्हतास ना हा पार्ट, त्यामुळे तुला असं फिरवून आणलं मी.
स्विगीवाला असं स्वतःहून कंटेंट घेऊन गेला रे.
हा?
स्विगीवाला तुझ्यासमोर तो फिरत होता तो.
कोण रे?
तू बघितलं ना का?
काय झालं?
स्विगीवाला तुझ्यासमोर असं असं करत जात.
अच्छा, नाही रे, मी बोलत होतो कॅमेराशी. कसं आहे माझे much necessary thing for riding during the nights when you're especially sleep deprived. ध्यान से देखिए इस शख्स को. हेमंत आता मेसेज बोलत होतो माझ्याबरोबर. Here we are. Here's the squad. Ah, god damn it, this Google. Actually, forgot to exit navigation. Hey! समझता है कि नहीं तेरे को? And now I'm completely high on caffeine. So for the next few hours I'll be completely wide awake. Things I have to do for you guys. So that's how I'm dealing with my sleep deprivation. I know that's not healthy at all. These idiots. हाय हाय असे राहणू गप्पे मारा ना.
कहाँ बैठा हूँ, किससे बात कर रहा हूँ?
Chatting in the middle of the road. What kind of friends do I have? अब जो है जैसे है यही है. Deal with it. That, by the way, you guys, that's the building that you see right in front of you. That's Antila, Ambani's house. I had actually come here to buy this, but
I'm actually quite in a hurry, so I won't be buying it now.
I'll come some other day. I'm a little busy today. So I'm actually having second thoughts because it doesn't even look that beautiful as well. It's just a normal block, a tall block of concrete. That's it. Nothing really special about it. That's why I'm changing my mind. I'm not buying it, guys.
I'm sorry, I cancelled the plan.
अब तो सच बोल दे.
I only get joy out of imagining something like that. I'm very confident that even if I spend the next 100 years of my life doing anything that I want, I won't be able to make enough money to buy that place. So I'll just imagine that I can do that and just be happy with it. Huh? काय रे गर्दी कशा एवढी काय हा? माका वाटलं माका बघू गेलेत काय Oh, I was busy. I was busy imagining my stardom. God damn it. Whoa, that was close. Okay.
अजून थांबतो तुझा असतो
Oberoi Hotel. Well, the road ends here. There's the Meteor 350. काय म्हणतो
उठवतात आता
काय
उठवतात म्हटलं आता 12 वाजले ना
शुरू होते खत्म हुए यार
So that was Marine Lines that we just spent 30 seconds at. Now we are headed towards where are we headed towards? We are headed towards CST. Isn't that the State Bank? Yeah. काय कशाला थांबले ते पण माहिती आहे मला
आम्ही नियमांचं पालन करतो
How beautiful does this feel to see these empty streets? COVID-19 ambulance? That's how ambulance are nowadays. Gateway आहे ना ये माहित आहे जाऊचं नाही आतमध्ये गेटवे आहे ना यो या ताज ना also for Malwani people in the house. Yeah, there's some Malwani for you bro. Oh, that's Gateway by the way. Gateway of India. This is the Taj Hotel. There's some construction going on the... Wow, there's quite a lot of people out here. Ever heard of a pandemic? I wonder how this place will be if a pandemic hits this world. You never know, man. I have no clue.
One eternity later.
We spent some 3 hours, actually 3 hours chatting with each other, chatting about life, chatting about how poor we are, chatting about how we are never going to get anything, chatting about how we are going to stay poor for the rest of our lives. And now we are thinking where to go.
बन जाता है इसमें दिमाग लगाने का जरूरत नहीं है इसी ट्रिक है एक तो लाइक और शेयर ठोक दीजिए महाकाल का दबाकर लाइक और शेयर ठोक दीजिए 5000 लौटे दिख जाना चाहिए ये 4000 के लिए मैं यहाँ पे नहीं खड़ा हूँ पूरा साल मेहनत करता हूँ आपके लिए बेटा ऐसा नहीं चलेगा ऐसा नहीं चलेगा
This feels good though. I'm actually very tired right now, but I don't feel like going home. Thanks to the weather, thanks to the friends, the conversations going on. It all feels good. Okay, are we being stopped? No? I'm surprised. I thought we would have been stopped. Horniman Circle. Horniman Circle. What? What kind of a name is that? Horniman Circle. What is this? Asiatic Society, Mumbai, Central Library. Oh, this is where that Cold Mess song काय हा ता कोल्ड मेस गाणं माहित आहे तुका कोल्ड मेस प्रतीक कुहाडचा काही गाडी लावून फोटो काढूया अलाउड हा तेच फुटपाथवर चढवले म्हणतोय मी
फुटपाथ नको चढू
का
विनाकारण ते खाजून करू दे तिथे समोर लावते वॅगनरच्या पाठीमध्ये
कोण येणार आहे आपल्याला थांबवायला
मेन रस्ता आहे ना सांगता येत नाही
रस्ता कुठला आहे
वरती चढलं तर प्रॉब्लेम नको व्हायला
कसला प्रॉब्लेम होणार
पोलीस
कुठे आहेत पोलीस This is the Mumbai feel I was talking about. These buildings, the old British style buildings. Not British style, these are British buildings. This is the OG British building. I'll just take a risk and climb on this footpath and just nonchalantly click a few photos and then f off.
A few moments later.
Oh damn, look at that. I mean, I've seen this, but holy smokes, it's so beautiful, dude. The last time I came here, there was construction going on. So beautiful. Holy sh! Where did that guy come from? I mean, yeah, it's my fault. Isn't that beautiful? Ah, such beautiful architecture, man. And this is a railway station. If you guys don't know, I'll click a few photos. It feels so wonderful walking towards the bike. So beautiful. I mean, what do I say? Okay, that was a good way to wake me up. I was feeling a little sleepy, but now I'm wide awake. PK Wines. What? PK Wines, nice. It's 4 o'clock in the morning, of course. We had actually planned to ride till 1 or 2 in the night and then just head back home, but we seem to have gone a little overboard. Slightly. I've broken my front, I don't know what it's called, but that rod, that black rod that joins my fender to the wheel, that's what is broken, and I broke it while I was on a ride to Matheran last weekend. Well, what can I say? things often go wrong sometimes. There's nothing wrong. I mean, I didn't crash or anything. I just went into a very bad pothole, and I probably just couldn't take it. So yeah, the bike has been crying since then. It's making that weird rattling sound. I need to get it fixed. But it feels bad to have something broken like that. But टूटे हुए दिल के साथ हमने जीना सीख लिया है. ये टूटा हुआ रॉड क्या ही कर लेगा. Should I mess around with these guys? I feel a little wild, guys. I have those sudden surges of hooliganism. I start behaving like a squid. What the hell, man? Things are flying out of that truck. It's not safe at all.
हिपोक्रेसी की भी सीमा होती है.
But yes, guys, never try that in traffic. Only try that always with your friends. I would suggest not even with your friends. What I did is not cool, and you should not do it. There. That's where I drew the line. Oh, poor thing. He's fallen asleep. मी सांगेन तुला. माझा मॅनेजर तुला कळवेल. चल. हाँ चल रे. All right, now we are done for the night. In fact, for the morning. Now we are headed back to our homes. Oh, the market has already started. Oh, damn. Dhania. The dhania ka smell. What? हाँ? घेऊया चल. ह्याची का माहिती तुला कशी बनवतात? बघ बाबा. घे. चांगली असते का? खाल्ली आहेस तू? मग घे. Ever seen Sabzi shopping motovlog? What? I mean, the quality on this channel you guys are getting. I mean, you guys are lucky to get all of this content. You guys should be ashamed that you're just subscribed and you're not paying me thousands of rupees for showing you all of this. I'm sorry, guys. Sorry. Life has come to this. Me shopping vegetables at 4 in the morning, and you guys sitting at your homes and watching me doing that. The fresh smell of that vegetables, man. Crazy this. And they're dirt cheap, dude. Like, a whole bunch of spinach was for just 10 rupees. Wow. Life is seriously, this lockdown has taught us so many things, man. So many things. I didn't know how spinach looks. Today's ride was quite fulfilling, huh? I experienced the charm of the city. The city is beautiful, man. It's actually beautiful if you give it the time. I've always hated Mumbai. I've always hated it. I never had any plans to come to this city and work over here because there's no peace over here. Everyone is in such a hurry, man, to reach somewhere, to do something. Everyone is so ambitious. And no one has any sort of content feeling. I was in Bangalore earlier, and Bangalore people are chill as they don't care, man. But when you come here, everyone's so ambitious. Everyone's up to something all the time, and that is why I never wanted to come here. And when the chance came, and when I had to choose whether to come here or not, I just took it. and I did not imagine this city to grow on me so much, but it did. And little rides like these and night spins like these, this city grows on you. The charm of it comes on you, and you start liking it, and before you realize, you're a part of this. You're a part of the struggle, you're a part of that ambition. You feel like working your ass off because everyone around you is working their asses off. So even you feel like, yeah, you should accomplish something. But then again, that feeling of content, that feeling of satisfaction, it just goes away. You're never satisfied with what you have. You always feel like wanting more. So that's the downside, but there are pros and cons to anything and everything. So and now there's just this whole straight road. So
Bonus.
there's my man taking his vegetables. See, घरेलू मोटो व्लॉगर.
ये सब संस्कारों का खेल है.
So please whatever. Please I want to reach 1 million likes. So please sarapakara.